Model, 2005 Mercedes Sprinter 311 Cdi medium wheelbase, body, white, panel van mileage, 121535 engine, 2151 ccm to 697 transmission, 5-speed manual, mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. ECU needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary, bodywork is decent. Interior is decent. Rear load area is decent. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.